the girl from Despicable Me. Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Susan, if you didn't know that. But I am. Nice to meet you, if I haven't met you already. What? Okay. Anyways, happy day of prom for me. I don't know if it's for you. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. If it is, happy prom day to you too. But it's prom day for me, and it's Friday, which I don't know if most schools have their proms on Friday. I don't really know what other schools do. I don't really pay attention to that stuff because I just don't. But we had today off for school. I guess because it's prom. I don't really know why, but not complaining. Oh my gosh. I just went to psycho bar class because this is like what I normally do now, and I do it like almost like every day, whatever I'm feeling. I was feeling really motivated last week when I scheduled this class at 8:45 in the morning, and then this morning I woke up and I was like, oh, keep sleeping. But you know, that wasn't an option today. But now that I'm done with it, I feel fantastic. Anyways, I wanted the beginning of the day to be like, let's actually take care of my skin and my body and my health before whatever happens at prom. So I was like, we're gonna go to a psycho bar class, which I already did. Now I kind of want to like eat a bunch of fruit because I don't know, that just sounds good, and I want to be healthy before prom. I don't know. Do you guys feel that way, or is that just kind of a me thing? Probably just a me thing. And then just do a face mask, do a bath bomb. No, I'm not gonna do a bath bomb. I don't want to spend $9 on a bath bomb. And then my friend Isabella's coming over, and no, I don't have a date because my standards are a little bit too high. It's just gonna be me and Isabella going. No, it's not because I don't have any friends. Actually, it is kind of because I don't have any friends. But whatever. It's because I was like not feeling like, I just wasn't feeling like going in a big group. Honestly, it's kind of more fun just to do whatever. Go in a big group with your friends, or go in a small group with your friends. Just go with one friend, or go by yourself if you're really feeling it. Because honestly, like, I don't know. I've gone to dances in the past with dates. Surprisingly, I don't know how that ever happened. No offense, but it's a lot more fun to go in a group or just with your friends, even if you do have a date. Whatever, you'll still have fun anyways. Date, no date. There's my prom rant. Back to what I was saying earlier. I'm just gonna, you know, go around, take care of myself, get ready for prom, go to prom, and then probably pull another all-nighter. Also, another thing about prom that I also just thought about is it's the same day as the first day of Coachella. Obviously, I'm not going to Coachella. And then the theme of prom is Promchella, so you're gonna have FOMO about Coachella, but whatever, it's fine. I'll go next year or the next year. I'm literally about to fall asleep, but I'm at a grocery store now. I went to a different grocery store than like the one that's probably closest to my house because I kind of didn't want to run into people I know. So I'm gonna buy snacks for Isabella and me tonight. I didn't feel like doing my nails, so that's kind of rough, but who cares, whatever, oh well. They have 12 count bubbly. Okay, I got one healthy thing. I'm good now. I can get as many chips as I want to. Don't go to the grocery store when you're hungry. You probably are gonna end up buying more food than you normally would if you weren't hungry. You know, you gotta eat, so. So basically what happened, tell them what happened. She didn't realize she was coming over to spend the night, which I thought was implied, but apparently wasn't, but yeah. So now we're back at my house, which is like half an hour away from her house, getting my stuff. Because she didn't bring any of it. She dyed her hair, doesn't look pretty. Okay, we gotta go in, and then we gotta drive back to my house. Yeah. And then we're gonna start getting ready, and we're just gonna live. Hey, do you wanna make a coffee? Anyway, we're just gonna live stream Coachella the whole time. Cause that's our prom's theme. But I'd rather be at actual Coachella, as I've already said like 20 billion times today. I'd rather be at outro, okay, whatever. That's our cue to leave. Okay, now we're back after like an hour, but we're ready to get ready. So, you know, that's a fun time.
That's just such a fun time.
I have my makeup thing that I brought down from upstairs. So let's get ready. I don't really know what I'm doing with my makeup. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm capable of doing makeup. Will it be good? Probably not, but we'll just have to see. Because this is a get ready with me for prom. Actually, I don't even know if I'm gonna name it that. It's just a prom day of prom thing, so. Okay, we finished the eye makeup. It looks good. Good, all right, it's doing okay. Thriving. But we're ordering dinner right now because I'm hungry, and then we're gonna go take pictures and do a bunch of other things that people do for prom. And I'm still waiting to see everyone's Coachella outfit, so get it together, everyone else. And makeup is done. I know this lighting is bad, and I know the makeup's, it's okay. It could be worse. Surprised it actually has looked worse. That was my freshman year homecoming. Just thought I needed to put that out there to make yourself feel better about yourself. Moving on. This bun is not good, but who cares? I'll do my hair. But we just post-made some food, which is always solid, so keep watching. Something fun has to happen, you know? I don't really know what that's gonna be, but it'll be good. Okay, time to fix this or whatever's happening there. I'm too tall for the tripod now. This is so awkward. I mean, I'm normally too tall for the tripod, but now I'm especially too tall for the tripod. But this is my dress. I'm 5'9" in real life, and these heels. Oh my gosh! Okay, we're good. Fun fact, don't balance on one foot when you're wearing tall heels like this. Basically what I was saying, I'm like 6'3" right now, and all the boys are gonna be like this tall. But time to go take pictures. It's raining outside, which is rude and disrespectful, but we're gonna take pictures, so. Okay, we're here. Wish us luck.